Hi, today we are going to learn how to use try and catch blocks when there is an exception in our program. So, demo 4 is our project, com is a package, and here we go. Exception 1 is our class. Let's create main method first, that is public static void main string small t string array and arguments. This is the main method. Let's see. Let's declare a variable. Integer a is equals to 10, then integer b is equals to 0. Then we'll try to divide this number by 0. System.out.println a divided by b. So as we know that we cannot divide a number by 0, then there will be an exception. So what we got? Arithmetic exception divided by 0. So we cannot divide a number by 0. So let's do one thing. Try block here, SYSO will get a divided by b. If then use catch block, exception is the class. Here this exception is the inbuilt class. uh, E is the variable given to the exception class. If there is any exception in the class, if there any exception, this will execute the catch block. If there is no exception, it will execute the try block only. So here we will go. Try to write this completely. You don't use shortcuts. Yes. System dot out dot println a number cannot divide by 0. Execute this. What you got? A number cannot divide by 0. If you change 10 divided by 2, what you will get? 5 is the answer. 10 divided by 2 is the 5. Here, if there is any exception in the method, it will execute the catch block. If there is any exception, what is an exception? An uneven activity happened in our program. Here, when we'll execute our try block, if there is no exception in our class. That's it. Bye. Okay, here we see types of exceptions. Exceptions are of two types: checked exceptions and unchecked exceptions. Checked exception means compiler will aware of the exception, means compiler will know here there will be an exception. Example, class not found exception. So here we go. We have learned about arithmetic exception. Means when a number divided by 0, at that time you will get arithmetic exception. Then next we will learn about array index out of bound exception. When we will get that array index out of bound exception? For example, if you remove this, here we see we declare an integer array with 5 elements. No, sorry, 6 elements. We declare a for loop. Then we'll see. Now we'll run this program. Till the 6 numbers it is printed. It is okay. Then we try to print the extra number. System.out.println a array of, let's see what is the length of this array. System.out.println a dot length. see length of this array. What is the length of this array? 6. 6 is the length of an array. Here we will try to print a array of sixth value. So here sixth means 0 to 5, the count is 6. Here 1 is stored in the place of 0, 0th index. 2 is stored in the place of 1 index, 2 in second index, third index, fourth index, and fifth index. Here there is no sixth index, but we are trying to print the sixth index. Here we go, we'll see what happens. Here there will be an exception. What is that exception? Suspended. Here uncaught exception. Here uncaught exception, array index out of bound exception. So this is what happens when you try to print the number which is not is there in the index. We'll see again. If we try to hide this, then run the program. There will be some clumsy. We'll clear it. We'll create some space. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Next we'll learn about, here we learn we'll try to run the program without main method. We'll give the name as something like demo, and we'll try to run the program. We will get main method not found in the class exception 1. Means there is no main method in our class main method in our class exception 1. So we cannot run a program without main method. At that time we will get main method not found exception. We'll create some space here and we'll run it again. We'll get some space. That's it. Remaining thing we'll learn in another class.